Greetings of the day. Welcome in session number 2 of the Jamboard. As we were discussing about the image. So when I was talking about to add the image, if I am going to the Google search, I want to add the image of production function. So for example, if I am looking for production function, so I had written here the production function diagram, right? So I'm going to search it. Now after the search, it says this thing in which color if you are looking for example, if I'm going to say it any color, right, any type, if it is selected, any type, any face, any photo, any clip cut, any line drawing, so no issues at all. For example, I have selected this. Here the option is select or cancel. I'm going to select the option, right? All of a sudden with immediate effect I will get the image on my Jamboard. So there is no problem in this. See, this image is there. I can use this image, I can teach to my students, I can zoom it also, I can make the duplicate also. For example, see the duplicate, I can take the duplicate. For example, I want to let the student understand only about the upper part, right? And after that I am interested to let them understand about the average production and marginal production in the another diagram. So I can do this thing also, right? So I can do this thing, I can delete that one also, I can again I can rotate it and number of times wherever I feel like I can do it, right? I want to, for example, I want to place this image here, right? See, right, I want to place this image here and I just want to find out some another function. For example, along with the production I want to show them the supply function also, so I can take up the supply function also. Instead of sketching, I can easily take the supply function. This one is fine, so I selected it and I can take it here and I can drag it anywhere. And see, this is the function, so I can drag it, I can zoom it, right? हम इसे zoom कर सकते हैं, आप इसे जितना मर्जी zoom कीजिए, लीजिए जितना मर्जी zoom कीजिए, जितना मर्जी इसको small कीजिए, and you can easily indicate the comparative study in the both. Now you have the facility of the laser also, that where you can show this thing, that this is their marginal prosperity to consume is there, how to use it, right? This is the price there, so you can easily indicate the relationship between the price and the quantity, so you will find no difficulty at all. Here this is input, right? So this is output, so no difficulty at all, you will face no problem at all and you can enjoy it. You can use the end number. Here it is written expand the frame bar, you can expand it. Here it is 1 by 1, means only one page. If you are looking for to add some another page, see, this is the another page. You are not interested to remove your whiteboard, you are interested to share your whiteboard, so now this is 2 out of 2, so you can use your second page also. Means I have created 2 pages, 1 out of 2. I can create 3 pages, I can create 5 pages, I can use the endless pages. And here the option is I can even rename it, I can download it as a PDF and can add in my Google Classroom. I can save it as a frame, as an image also. I can make the copy also. Mind it, my dear friends, I can share with all of you. So this diagram, this thing can be shared with any person, right? So even I can record it also. So here, see, restricted only to the people who are added or change to anyone with the link. So here change to anyone with the link, I can get the copy also, right? Or I can add the name also. I can add the name of anyone. For example, I found, for example, I am searching these people, so I found these, right? So I can show them. I can send them a link also. I can say them that check to YouTube channel and access it freely. I can send my message also. See, sent. So they are the editors. So I have written editors, so they are added now. They are editors. They can edit it. They can add end number of diagrams also. They can do anything in this, right? So this is the editor. See here, it simply indicates that yes, these people are the editors now. They are not the viewers. They can also edit my board also. They can even write also, or I can make them owner also. It's my wish. I can remove them also, right? So this is a wonderful option which you can use it. Please use and make your class more and more interesting, and you will find wonderful response from the students. Now, how to record this class? See, my dear friends, once you can make it, you can record your class with the free tools available, right? Free tools available which help you to make your class more interactive, and you can put your this class in your G Classroom as well as in the another live boards. See you in the next session with some new techniques, new innovations to make our class more interactive and more interesting. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Motivate me to work and serve for the educationist. Thank you.